Fredo Burgo here with lesson 4 from the Arduino kit. We now have our RGB LED with our red wire going towards the red input, the green wire towards the green input, which is the third one from this side, and the blue one, which is on the most on this side, and then we have ground, which is this white wire coming from the back into the ground of our Arduino board, and then each of these coming in here. And we have our code over here, which we defined our colors as these 3 pins. We defined the pins as outputs, and then we started off on red. So then we initialized every value on the RGB to be max for red, minimum for green and blue, and then it'll stay on red for a second, and then we have a for loop because that's what it said to do in the lesson, which will slowly lower the red value and raise the green value in this for loop. So the red will slowly transition to green, and then it'll wait for 1 second on green, and green will transition into blue slowly, and then it'll stay on blue for a second, and then it'll transition back to red, where it'll finish its loop and go back to the start, where it'll loop again from red, as you will now see. And then it'll change between all those colors over and over again.